Matheus Nunes scored in the 94th minute to give the Manchester City a princeless victory over the fellow top 5 contenders, that is Aston Villa, at the Etihad Stadium, and moved third in the battle for the Champions League place. What could be the purview of the next month's FA Cup final looked set at the end of the level as the City struggled to find a way through the Villa defence after the Marcus Rashford cancelled out the Bernardo Silva's early opener from the penalty strikes in sports. Also, but in the 4th minute of the 5 added on, the substitute Jeremy Doku skipped past the Excel Dicey Son and deep down with the left, then delivering a brilliant low cross with the outside of this right boot, which rolled perfectly through the 6-yard box for the Nunes, who drilled his first Premier League goal of the season into the bottom corner. It was a familiar feeling for Villa, who has now lost an incredible 15 successive league game at the Manchester City. The importance of the goal was shown in the celebrations of the manager Pep Guardiola at the full time, who hugged Nunes in delight that made way for the rest of the world and his squad before the saluting and the home fans. Also, City has now third in the table, 4 points clear of the Villa and the Chelsea, who have the game in hand and remain just outside the top 5. And crucially, while City's run-in includes the matches against the Wolves and regulated Southampton, Chelsea must play Newcastle and Nottingham Forest. Guardiola also glee at the final whistle was in stark contrast to the fury, as he's still feeling at the very penalty Villa has been awarded when he emerged from the second half. Also, a replay of the Ruben Dias challenge on the Jacobs Ramsey was being shown at just the wrong time of the Guardiola's perspective, as he shook his head angrily. Since the believing of this, that is no foul, evidently the City boss was still simmering as the second half ticked on, and in his mind the importance of the victory absolutely huge. There was no other explanation for the manner in which he sunk his knees into the despair as the James McAtee dedicated lifted the ball over the Emiliano Martinez, but just wide of the goal as the home side hunted away.